Wix Studio drop-down menu tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down menu on Wix Studio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is basically a leading website builder that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for individuals and businesses looking to establish an online presence. And now after signing in on Wix Studio, this is basically what the dashboard looks like when signing in using the link in the description below. And from here it will show us a variety of websites that we have already created. And to start editing it and adding a drop-down menu, just click this edit site button right here. Upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. And on the top panel, it will show us a variety of pages that we can start accessing or navigating. And to start adding a drop-down menu, the first thing that we need to do is simply go on the left side panel or editing tools and click site pages and menu option in here. And from here, it will show you some of the site menu pages by clicking the site menu in here. And now to start adding a site menu or adding pages, just click this add a menu button or add a new pages. But there are two ways on how you can start adding a drop-down menu. The first one is by simply adding a new page in here, while the second one is by clicking this add menu item and click drop-down button or option in here. But at this point, the first thing that we need to do is to simply click these new pages. And for instance, it will show us in here a variety of pages to choose from. And in those options, let's say I'm going to choose this general and select here the pages that we prefer. By clicking this add page button, it will automatically show us that this page is now be added in our website. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load to be added in here. Now as you can see, it is now currently added and it will show you it is now part of the menu in here. But to start adding a drop down menu or menu under this general, we're going to add another page. And to do that, can I click again the pages and site menu button on the left side panel in here. And after that, just proceed by doing the same process of simply adding new pages in here that will serve as our drop down menu. But at this point, I'm just going to delete some of these pages in here that are added and are hidden in this website. And from here, you could also select here or drag these existing pages in here or create a new one by clicking this add a new page button again by doing the same process on selecting the category or what kind of page do you want to create. Let's say landing page. Then proceed by clicking this add a page button in here. And upon doing so, it will automatically be added in our page in our website in here. And now to make it as the drop-down menu, we're going to simply click it done and drag it and simply make it below this general section or pages under this general. So make sure to input here or drag it below this general section. And after it's snapped, as you can see, it is now currently under this general section. So when you try to click under this general, you should see here the landing page, sub, option or drop-down menu. Now clicking the preview button on the top right corner to see what it looks like. From here, if you click this general, it will show us these landing pages. However, this general and landing pages has two different kind of pages on its own. So when a visitor try to click the general, it will automatically be directed on the general pages and not on the other drop-down menu. And in order to fix that, we could also start doing, instead of adding a pages, we're going to change or choose under this site pages and menu the option drop-down menu in here. And to do that, kindly proceed by clicking this add menu item button below, and it will show you in here the drop-down option. So we can start renaming it or change the name of it. And after that, just click done, and you could also start dragging it to the top to make it visible in our menu on our website. But at this point, I'm just going to select this landing page and input here under this sample drop-down menu. So just simply do the same process, and now as you can see, it is now currently added in our sample, the landing page, and we could also add a new page to add a new another subcategory or sub option in here. So now as you can see, all you need to do is wait for it to load once again and start renaming these new pages. For example, I'm going to under sub 2 and click done, and now as you can see, we have now two sub option in here or the drop down menu. Now if you close this one and select the preview button on the top right corner to see what it looks like. But before that, on the left side panel, make sure that you also drag to the top in here the drop down menu in order to make it visible in here. Now as you can see, the sample is now here. And now to click it, just click the PB button on the top right corner. And after clicking on it, we can now proceed by clicking the sample option or the drop-down menu in here. When we click on it, we will be directed here to two options, which is landing page and sub. So basically, the sample word has no own pages in here, but only a drop-down menu, which is this landing page and sub 2. Unlike when we click the general in here that has own its pages. So now as you can see, we've now successfully created here a drop-down menu in different methods. So overall, that is just basically how you can create a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. Thank you.